Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you how to create a cinematic video or how to edit cinematic video on a CapCut application with a color grading. So here I already have the CapCut, I already have the clip as well as the music for the cinematic video, and let's just check for this video. Okay, I would like to hide the music first so that you can focus on the tutorial. So this is the look of the clip before we do an editing. So you can see the color, it's quite natural and so clear. To create the cinematic video, I would like to suggest to you to use this tutorial. So you just need to go back into the first kit, and after that you just need to go click the first clip here and go click in animation. In this animation, make sure, since this is a the first clip, so make sure that you are in the in part here and just find a fade in animation. You can also adjusting the speed, make it a little bit longer by drag it into the right side into the 2 seconds or 1.5 seconds. And after you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button. And after that, let's directly jump into the end of the clip, which is the last clip here. Just do the same at the animation. Go into the animation and make sure that you go in the out, and make sure you choose the fade out and adjusting the durations too. And here we already finished with the beginning and the ending, and for the next we need to do a color grading. But I will like to do a simple way, which is use filters that already provided by the CapCut. You just need to go click filters, and after that you just need to find the best filters to get a cinematic effect on your clip. So sometimes I could use this Inception, or I also use Renoir. You just need to find a Renoir. Mana Renoir anjir? Kok nggak ada? Okay. You just need to jump into the movies part and you will find a Renoir here. And you can also adjusting the intensity for this effect applying into your clip. But I will like to make it like 85. And after we're done, we just need to go click this part, and we can just simply drag this effect so that all of the clip will have this effects. And now let's have a check for the result, and you can see here it looks quite great. You can also do polish for this effect by go click this polish part, and you can start adjusting the intensity. That's the simple way. But then if you want to adjusting the color grading by yourself, you just need to delete the effect first, and after that you just need to go back and just drag this part into the left side until you want adjust. And in this part you can just adjusting everything related to the video. From the brightness, you can just make it like less bright by drag it into the left side into -15, and for the contrast you can just drag it into the right side until like 15 too. And for the saturation, to make a cinematic video, I would like to suggest you to go into the right side to make it a little bit, oh my bad, into the left side to make it like a little bit pale. And for the exposure, let's just get like a little bit exposure to 10, and we just need to go drag into the temperature and drag into the right side to have like a warm temperature until like 50. And when you're done, you just need to go click this part to make it done. And don't forget to drag this part into the end of the clip so that all of the clip will have the same color grading. So this is the result. So I hope this tutorial is help you to create a cinematic video through CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.